Hello everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I am adding more things to my bird center, my bird area. So far I have my bird camera feeder. Then I have this is like the crow platform where the crows come and eat. I have a shepherd's hook here, which I'm gonna move it over a little bit. And then I have the bird bath, which I gotta take and clean with a shepherd's hook. And then I got this shepherd's hook, this big one, today at Walmart on sale for $10. So I'm gonna put this up too. So I'm gonna make this a little cute bird area. Alright, so we put up the new shepherd's pool with the new bird feeders on it. I do need to get another bird feeder thing for this hook and for that hook and the black hook up here. But it's looking good. I'm hoping that this doesn't scare my crows off, because my crows eat at that platform. So I'm hoping that this doesn't scare them off. We couldn't get it any closer to the fence because this is all rock in there. So we couldn't get it any closer. But there it is.